Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So market on Friday has shown great action. So mostly was predefined by this performance, as we already talked about this many times. I will not repeat it. And market here has shown best case scenario and just has retested the broken flag consolidation and just showing upper action. On intraday charts, as we have mentioned, this area both target has been completed. I will show a bit later. And now is a big question what to do next. First of all, let's get first with the upside targets that we have. On a daily chart, the final target that we have, because here, as you remember, was some cluster of the targets 25, 50, 26, there already has been completed. 2564, sorry, 2550, 2564, all targets have been completed, including this AB equals CD target with this kind of hand shorts that we talked about. Correspondingly, we have only XOP around 2673. But if you will take a look at the very long-term chart, 3-month or monthly, you will find that we have actually closest standing target, which is even stronger than this one, and it stands around 2635 right there. So I think that we should use this level as the next upside major target on the gold market. In fact, until our all-time OP target that actually stands on a long-term chart, which is 2870, we already mentioned it many times in our reports, we have few targets on the upside action. So it's 2535, then we have this XOP that you can see, and we also will have 2730, 2750, which is also extension on the monthly and 3-month quarterly chart. If you will take a look at all of them, stands on the way to the major target and relatively close to each other. But currently we're interested only with the nearest one, because even this XOP seems to be too far, because market right now stands on the daily overbought. In fact, weekly and monthly overbought levels give some room to the market. It's approximately $30, whereas market could fluctuate around. So, but on a 3-month chart, market is extremely overbought, although hardly it will become the barrier for performance on the daily chart. And you can see on the daily market is also overbought. You understand in what week we are entering, so it will be very important. Currently, fundamental fundamental data doesn't suggest big collapse on the gold market, because liquidity stands strong. Before election, nobody will just destroy the market. From that standpoint of view, we could suggest that most stressing upward swing, it's our working space for a coming week. Besides, by the logic of the overall performance, market should not drop below these lows, right? Because it already has retested it and shown upward action. It hasn't broken it down. That's why we use this area from 2470 to the 2580 as our working space for a common week. On the 4-time frame chart, this is the target that has been completed. So you can see a distance of this range to the upside and XOP. So here story is also closed. But on the 4-time frame chart, take a look, we have great upward thrust. And this has led us, especially in a combination with the daily overbought, here's really great patterns might be formed in the beginning of the week when the market will start preparation to the Fed meeting. Maybe some traders even will decide to fix some results, book some profit, and appearing here some bread and butter buy, for instance, will have really good chances. And from that standpoint of view, the area around 2535, 2540 seems very interesting for possible taking long position. Because this is confidence area, this could become the area for bread and butter, for example. And also it is interesting because it's previous long-term resistance where market was consolidating for a long period, as you can see. Now it's becoming support. So this is really great area to watch for. Also, let's not ignore this 25.53 because the brand bottom might be short term, so the market could just test in it and start upward action. It's also possible. So that's why I prefer to focus on these two levels. Obviously, right on the top right now, from technical point of view on the daily level, but it's not a good idea for taking a long position. So logic and common sense just waiting for some bounce. So that's what we have on the technical picture. Let's have a look. But overall situation around Fed meeting as a fundamental part, as we discussed in today's weekly report, and on the technical side as well, from the liquidity point of view, it's very interesting. It seems that markets and in general economy in the United States is coming to some culmination point. So, and it's really some surprises might be on a common week.